Sorry about the creepy sound effects. I promise you the rest of the video will not have this, but I thought it was pretty cool at the time when I posted this a while back. Enjoy this video. Got a whole bunch of cool little ones. Got a whole lot more coming for you guys, but here's a compilation of a bunch of little shorts I've posted in the past. Enjoy. These termites decided to cost this homeowner a whole lot of money. Thanks to a heavy windstorm, the metal got detached and we were able to find out that we had some massive termite damage. The flooring on the slab house stood no chance against these subterranean termites. I would never suspect that engineered flooring would be attacked by termites, but I guess it does have a little bit of paper underneath, which is good enough for them. This crawlspace had a laundry list of problems. Besides the little tiny mushrooms we're finding all over the place, found all these subterranean termite tubes coming right out of the ground. Some of them were used as little launch pads for their termite swarmers. They were just about to cause a very large headache in this home. I do come across some critters every now and then, but this guy right here, he was crawling right underneath my knees. I had to see what it was. And there he was, just chilling out. I often ask myself, do these homeowners ever smell this? Because they always tell me they don't. But this was here a massive sewer leak. Absolutely horrendous. This contractor, well, he's in a lot of trouble. Apparently, he was hired to do some work, repair all the moisture, termite damage, subflooring. He decided to leave a whole bunch behind until it was time to sell the house, and also his wood debris, all his garbage he left down below. What a shame. No question about it, this was definitely a honey hold my beer moment. This contractor was hired to put a support system to hold up a piano. Looks like he had no materials to work with. And there you go. There are times I'm told by my viewers to make sure I'm wearing a mask, but in this case, I don't know what this was. To me, some kind of an alien species. I'm not sure. I'm not going to ever go back there because I've watched enough movies to make sure you don't go back to the same place. This homeowner told me that his crawl space was nice and dry. Apparently, he never checked to see if his sump pump was working after a rainstorm. Now, this one right here crawls underneath my skin. A lot of contractors do not like to use flashing for whatever reason. I don't know. But in the crawl space behind the deck, you can see what happens when you don't use flashing. Unbelievable. You went from spending a couple of bucks to not having to repair the entire siding and some of the flooring as well. These guys just aren't going to learn. And of course, I have to put in another video here of one of my friendlies that I see in the crawl spaces just about all the time. This guy, for some reason, wasn't phased that I was even videoing him from this distance. He might have just ate something or he just didn't care. Another contractor who is going to be in the hurt locker. This guy was contracted to make sure that all the termite damage was repaired. As you can see, there's a lot of termite damage that has not been repaired. This homeowner is not happy. Hope you enjoyed some of the shorts I put together from some of my collections. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and check out my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for all the comments you give me. I'll see you around.